So Elon, X.AI, what do you think?
Elon spent a lot of money on Twitter, $40 billion acquisition. He tried to get out of the deal. He bought it somewhere in the early part of the bear market of 2022, realized he overpaid. Okay. We know that's a fact. Two, revenues have dropped because of advertisers have pulled back. Three, they've invested in the product. By and large, I like the improvements in the product, and he's adding monetization. It's very interesting what he's doing out there. No one's seen the profit and loss statements of his business yet, right? XAI, I think of as a way for Elon to raise money. I think if Twitter was bought at a $10 billion price, you would not see XAI. Like, why? The X in XAI refers to Twitter. Why isn't it in a new offering financing Twitter? Well, you can't, because the valuation would be lower than his acquisition price. You can't raise money at a lower price. You could, but it causes a lot of damage for every investor that put money in. Investors are betting on Elon because he's made them money, and he's got a track record of doing that. I believe XAI is like a backdoor way to raise money by having X license the content to a new entity called X.AI, which will then use those proceeds to go invest in AI. So the expenses also move off of the Twitter or X P&L statement. So it's interesting. It's a clever way to do it. It does limit the upside, though, of X. X will have some revenue share with XAI. They got to figure that out. X does not own the AI capability. It's another business, and the economics will be split in some way. So I think he did what he had to do. He needed more capital to buy all these GPUs from NVIDIA. They had $2.5 billion in negative free cash flow, by the way. They had an incremental over $1 billion in capital expenditures just finance these GPU AI infrastructure, $1 billion in one quarter. I think he did what he had to do to get the financing he needed to advance his vision of an AI world.